Hi everyone, sorry to keep you waiting. This won't take long. I'm just going to run through the main points from the meeting, last week, okay? Uh, did I hear you say the word dinosaur, Leon, as I joined? Were you talking about the twins?
Yeah, that was it.
Actually, Leon was referring to me being a dinosaur.
Really? Well, that's totally inappropriate. Do I need to remind you that I expect professionalism from everyone in the team?
Well, in that case, you need to have a word with Graham as well, Rena, because he said Leon will be okay in this process because he ticks all the boxes.
Leon, can you confirm that was said?
Look, I don't want to go there. It was just a stupid comment, and yeah, it's not worth it.
Do you want to say something, Graham?
No.
I'll address the inappropriate comments outside of this meeting, but I will say neither of you are doing yourselves any favors if you wish to remain at the firm. As you know, the business has to make efficiency savings, partly due to the increased NI costs that are coming in April, and because the firm failed to meet its financial targets last year. David is of the view that the marketing department has grown too big and that we should outsource some of our work. So it's been agreed that there'll be 9 roles made redundant.
That's half the team.
The 9 roles that remain will be essential to the business and its long-term.
And those people will be overworked.
Graham, there will be a chance for questions, but for now, I want to go through the information I need to give you.
It was a comment, a well-informed comment.
We currently have 2 teams, marketing and digital team, and with 8 roles and a manager, and the business development and events team with 8 roles and a manager. We'll be moving to 1 team with 1 manager who reports to me. The other roles at risk are the content.
Hearing you go through all those roles, Rena, it sounds brutal. They're not just roles, they're people. We are people.
I know, but the partners have made the decision and we've just got to get on with it. Now, I've put together an assessment criteria so everyone can see it's a fair and transparent process.
And this is how you're going to make decisions then about who stays and who goes.
Correct. You'll all have a one-to-one meeting with me to go through your scores.
I haven't seen that criteria.
It's been circulated.
Well, not to me, it hasn't.
Well, nor me.
Oh, I've got it. I'll put it in the chat. Hold on.
We have a short time frame for all of this. The new structure needs to be in place by the end of March.
That is no time at all, Rena. How is everyone expected to manage this so quickly? I mean, is it even legal? What about process and stuff? My friend said that you
Of
have to have
course, it's legal. We have less than 20 people in this department. HR have signed off the process. Now, I said this last week and I'll say it to the 3 of you. It's essential that we maintain business as usual throughout this process. We still have performance targets to meet. Do you all understand that?
That's going to be difficult, Rena.
More like impossible. Everyone's applying for new jobs.
And feeling like shit.
Right. Next step is for you all to put a one-to-one meeting in my diary. And in that meeting, we'll go through your assessment scores. I'm late for my next meeting, so I'll have to leave you to it.
Look, are you okay to stay on here for a couple of minutes, Jane?
Yeah, sure. That was awful, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. I mean, thanks for sticking up for me over that comment from Graham. I can't believe he did that. I had to work so hard not to lose my temper.
No, I know. But you dealt with the ticking the box comments so well. You didn't take the bait, and the point about performance would have landed.
Good. I hope so. Anyway, how are you coping with this news?
I feel a bit better now I've had a chance to speak to Chloe. We arranged to get in early this morning, go for coffee, talk about all the changes. We've always got on so well, and we've agreed that we're going to support each other. The thing is that neither of us wants to be made redundant. I know Chloe's worked her socks off while I've been out off sick.
Gosh, it is such a horrible situation.
Yes, it is. And although I've been here a long time, I know my sickness will count against me, which feels really unfair. One, one would choose to have a hysterectomy, and Rosie's got 2 more years at uni, and I want to be able to support her.
Look, like, if you ever want to chat, just message me and I'll jump on a call.
Thank you.
No, you've always supported me, Jane. It's the least I can do. Right. Time to book that 1-to-1, I guess.
Yeah, me too. I'll see you later.